G'day everybody, and welcome to a new unboxing video. This is for kit number 40358, the exclusive Target Donut Shop and Random People set. Actually it says in the box, Been There, Donut That shop set. It's an exclusive kit, only available at Target. It's for $20. I'm going to honestly say exclusive kits are not always value for money. This is 146 pieces for 20 bucks. I am already kind of wary, but I've got it. So we'll see what it's like. I do like the donut shop Uno unit, and you get a nice little selection of minifigs that go in there, which are probably, that's right, 3, 6, 9, $12 worth of minifigs. So I guess it's some kind of value for money, but it's an exclusive set from Target. Here's the back of it just here, so you can see other views of the store. I still think the back of these should be basically made up to basically less of product views and more other ideas of what you can build with it. Like the dog, that's probably a $2 piece just there. It's exclusive. It's only in Target only. It's not a very action-centric kit, so I'm going to guess it's aimed at a slightly older Lego fan like me. Odd kit having it as an exclusive, maybe a delivery van or a truck or something like along those lines is probably a much better exclusive for these guys. But this is what Target have given us this time. Maybe it's the first one I've seen as an exclusive for Target, but to be fair, I've not really been looking that much the past few years. It's only this year they've basically gone back into building Legoville, like we've actually looked at the Lego kits, what's really going on out there nowadays. So there might have been more I might have missed. I still think exclusives are a bit better for these guys like delivery vans, Target dog, which I think we've actually got the Target dog somewhere. The trucks, that sort of thing are probably better exclusives from the donut shop. It's still on the shelves. I believe it was released around Christmas time. I've been to 3 local Targets in this area. We've still got like half a dozen of each of these sets on there. Very surprised it's not on clearance because it was a Christmas release. And it's $20, and I don't think any other than basically the people that are building Lego cities like me, other older Lego fans are actually buying this kit. But this is just my thoughts on it so far. We're going to be doing an unboxing in a second so you can see what's going on. Then we're going to pause for a second, and then basically I'm going to do a build of this on camera, which also will be speeded up like it normally is. Put it in the 46 pieces. Now a couple things to note before we go any further, see if I can get this into full screen here. I'll get my camera to focus on my iPad. This miniature here, that's definitely my wife's face. So we found my wife's face in minifig form now, so that's really good. She also has this type of hair as well. That looks a little bit like me, but the beard needs to be a bit grayer, and probably the hair a bit more wild and bird nesty because, you know, graphic designer sort of thing. Specky guy in the back there with construction guys. He's going to be joining my construction crew. And we've got the barista in her little coffee shop there. I have a space on Legoville for this, but that'll be covered in a video which I'll release sometime in the next couple of days, probably tomorrow. Also tomorrow to note, I'm going to say this now, we're going to have a different AV going on, which means I'll be shouting less, and we'll have probably a better sound pickup, but that'll be something you'll probably find out when I do my next Legoville update. So, that being said, this is the box, all one colour, very nice yellow on it. I'm surprised it's not like a white-black thing. Exclusive at Target. Got a nice little set back here, recycle bin. Barista and her dog, she's throwing something in the garbage. I got my glasses on, so it looks like a pizza slice. Barista just there. Shopping basket right in there, the dog with the coffee mug in the back. I guess that's something that actually looks a little bit like, it actually does look a little bit like the Target dog, so I guess that's some kind of exclusive over there. Then there's now the plastics, all what's recyclable, not recyclable in this set, which is nice. There's the front again. There's the back. There's a little tab for us to pull to open. We're going to do the unboxing in a second. And then I'm going to find my glasses so I can actually build this. So let's open her up. Okay. Click tab's very nice to go in. That's fine out. We have 1, 2, 3 bags. Instruction sheet, nothing else in there, so that's the box. Let me put that there so you can see what I'm doing on camera. Small bag with bits in it. Small bag bits. Medium bag bits things. So some minifig pieces in here. And what's like the main build pieces. And of course the instruction book as well. We keep all the instruction books anyway, so you know this is gonna be a nice little book. Looks like 146 piece kit to me. So that being said, I will be switching this off there, locating my glasses so I can actually build this, get my bits tray here out so I don't lose all my bits, and then basically getting on with the build, and then we'll see you in a minute. Okay, bye bye. Hope you're forward on the speed build. I'm going to make an announcement right now. That's the last of those I'm going to be doing. I don't have the facilities to basically film those correctly, and I'm very unsatisfied with how they come out, but this is the last unboxing, build and review I will be doing. I will still continue doing unboxing and reviews. It's no longer any builds, I just can't seem to present them to my satisfaction. With that being said, this is the donut shop. Ta-da! I would say this right now, I wasn't expecting too much because basically with theme kits, basically for stores you don't expect too much out of them. I actually enjoyed it, but mainly because I think I'm old and beardy. This is definitely not a kid of 7-year-old that you get too much out of, and I'll say that straight away. But let's quickly look more for the features on this, and we'll go from there. First off, shit ton of bits left over. Yes, I do swear in my videos. Let's just say crap ton of bits left in my video, left over. A couple of pieces here I'm going to make use of in my shop build I've got coming up today. Some donut pieces left, cake, some Battenberg slicey thingy as well. So we've got a lot of little bits left over. This is really nice, like this, the 3D signs. 3D signs seem to be appearing a lot more in the Lego stuff. I like this a lot. This is really neat. This is probably one of the things that actually attracted me to buy the kits in the first place. This looks really nice at the shop. Table is a standard affair. Everything in Lego World is 100. Over inflation maybe, but this is basically standard table. Typical construction minifig. Guy's got a grey moustache. Reminds me of my dad really, but he doesn't make construction, he's actually an engineer. But nice print in the front and back. He'll be joining my construction crew, so he's got something to do when he gets downstairs into Legoville. Here's the business dude. Nice print again, nice little formal suit. Looks a little bit like me, just quite neat. I think I'm a little grayer, my hair's a little bit more of a mess, and I rarely ever wear a suit. Mainly because my job is until when I'm actually doing what I do. But that's what he looks like. It's actually kind of nice, kind of like this one. The tech medic doctor, definitely a nurse of some type, or a doctor. I'm going to go with doctor. Yeah, I'm going to go with doctor, why not? Actually, we've got this up. Let's touch back on the camera so we get us to focus correctly. There we go. Reminds me a lot of my wife's face. She's got this type, her hair looks like this, and she wears glasses, so we may have found her minifig doppelganger. Still searching for mine. Once I do, I may be shipping off to Figsdale. She comes with a little cell phone device. I like these little tires. I've got to find some more of these. Everybody seems to have these attached by the hip nowadays. I know I have to, like an electronic leash. Quick look at the dog. This is basically the target dog. I got a lot of dogs in my city. I don't like these. This is nice. Nice little change of pace of Dalmatian. Maybe a strength 5 set. Here's the barista herself. Apron. Little coffee thing there. Happy smiley face. Hair back in the thing. Take the head off. Turn around. Oh, the grip on this is amazing. Turn the head around. Ta-da! You have happy barista face. So both faces are smiley. I'm gonna go back to the face I had before, the happy smiley face. There we go. Get her face turning forward. She's the barista, owner of the donut stand. Nice little minifig, I like that one. Here's the bicycle. Blue. I've got nothing but red bicycles, and I've got a green mountain bike in my city. But that's how a different coloured bicycle. Like what they've done with the basket here. Got the helmet in there. I've got from free, and I may have to do something with that helmet before it disappears or somewhere else. Yeah, I do wish the bicycles would change up a little bit though, but it's still the same bicycle thing they used way back in the day. Tell you how old this mode is. I remember when this was brand new and it was part of the Postman set, and that's back. Oh good lord, that's way back in the late 80s, early 90s. This is a very used mode. So nice though. Here is the donut stand itself. I was very satisfied with the way it came together, and it's actually very solid, more solid than I thought it was going to be. You got side trays that come up. Well, I think I've done mine backwards. I have, but I'm not going to worry about that too much. I'll fix that in a few minutes after the review. Nicely solid side trays that come up there, so basically you should be able to have space for your parishioner, customers. Rotisserie stand thing here, rotating lazy boy here, lazy Susan I should call it. So basically show off the donuts and that kind of thing for the barista. Standard till and checkout area. Nice little coffee machine there, which I'm going to replicate inside the Lego corner store. Like the 3D stand. This is a very satisfying build. It feels very solid. I do have, because of what it is and the complications of what it shows, it's a nice build. It's very solid. I like the way this is put together. I really do. This surprised me when it did the build. You may saw me pause in the build itself. There's a gap there, which is odd. Lego doesn't normally do that. I might just put one or two pieces in there anyway. But that's what it looks like. I think it's pretty solid. It looks really nice. It looks like a coffee barista donut stand. Sort of thing you expect inside a convention hall or an outside, but this is obviously going outside because that's Legoville is a very temperate climate. And I like it. It's nice. However, here's the problem. Why I like it and why it's nice. This is not a kit you should buy 7-year-old. It's as simple as that. A 7-year-old will be wildly unexcited about receiving the Green Day Donut Bat kit. It's exciting for me because it's a nice feature from my Legoville. But you buy a Lego kit for little Johnny's going, oh, you got a Lego kit, what you got for me? And you give him the donut store and he goes, oh, thank you. Skate park or maybe the police car, which would be much better buys. In fact, you can probably get a nice little police chase set for the price of this. In fact, I was looking at the other day, it's the Wrecker, the tow truck and police bikes will make a much more exciting set for your kid than this one. This is definitely one for us older Lego builders. I like it. I recommend if anybody's building a city, you should get this. I still think it's not value for money. I think it should be $2-4 cheaper than it is. Minifigs are nice, the build is nice. It's definitely a nice thing to put in your city. So older city builders, yes. 7+, which is recommended at, not so much. So that being said, thank you for watching this, and remember to please like and comment below. Please subscribe, ring the bell so you can receive notifications of what's new going up on our Alt-World Tube channel. It's always nice to speak to you guys, and nice to see you starting to get some interaction, which is really good. We're going to have a Legoville update coming up at some point, but this is going to be the very last of my unboxing, build and reviews. Going forward, it'll just be, well, what can I say? It will just be unboxing and reviews, because my camera kind of sucks for this kind of thing, and I can't compete with the better guys at this, especially Jan Bricks. He is absolutely amazing with his white room and setup, and he does a much better job of the speed builds than I could ever could. Then with my big fingers don't let me do it. So that being said, again, thank you for watching. Please, again, comment and like. It's always good to start speaking to the Lego community out there. I'm glad you guys are actually starting to pay attention to what I'm doing here. Makes me feel like I'm not speaking out to the void. Also, please subscribe. We update probably once or twice a week, depending on what we're doing. There's going to be a big Legoville update coming up soon, so I hope you subscribe for that one there. And I will talk to you soon. So this is Nick Davis at Alt-World Tube saying cheerio and have a real good day now. Bye bye bye.